today I am going to tell you about CEO of Alibaba Group, that is known as richest man of China. Yes, I am talking about Jack Ma. He is the founder and chief executive of Alibaba Group. He was born in China, Hangzhou, and his father name is Ma Lifa. And he is passionate to be a better speaker in his life. Jack Ma Chinese name is Mayan. When Jack Ma was 13 years old, since then he was started to learn English. But very few people used to do so in China because Jack Ma was not joined any institution to learn English, but he learned by giving tourists free guide every day till 9 years. During visiting, he used to speak English along with tourists, even having been failed in many times in his life. Keeping in view their shortcomings, they had made a website that is known as Alibaba.com. They faced a little bit difficulty in this. He has seen the internet for the first time in 1995 during his first visit to US. Bear was the first word that Jack Ma searched on internet. Jack Ma had done his graduation from Hangzhou University. He failed the entrance exam Hangzhou Teacher Institute, but later on in 1988 complete his bachelor degree in English. Friends, I am going to tell you very important things. A man in his childhood fell in his primary school, not one time but two times. Even when he applied for university, he fell in his entrance exam, not one time but three times. In fact, he applied for Harvard University 10 times, they got rejected. This was only in his education career, but after his graduation, he applied to get a job. 24 people went for job, 23 selected. One more time, this man got rejected. He has rejected many times in his life, but he has never stopped moving forward, trying to new things in his life. Friends, never give up in their life. Jack Ma said, when I was 14 years old, I started to know what I wanted to do. I never thought in my life I would be a teacher. I never thought in my life I would be a businessman. So I became a businessman. I had never thought about it. I became an entrepreneur. I became a teacher. I had never thought about it. I wanted to be a policeman, rejected. I even wanted to be a waiter in KFC, rejected. Friends, Jack Ma said, one day I was standing in coffee shop, and then I was thinking, Alibaba is a good name. And then a waiter comes and said, do you know about Alibaba? Waiter said, yes, I know. What do you know about Alibaba? So that time, in 1994, Jack Ma heard about internet and also started his first company, Hangzhou Haibo Translate Agency, in 1995. He went to the US for the first time with his friends who helped him to the internet. Although he was found related to beer from many countries, but he was surprised nobody found from China, and also tried to research for general information from China. But again, nobody was found from China. He and his friend create an ugly website related to China. Friends, your attitude is more important than your capability. Similarly, your decision is more important than your capability. Friends, I want to tell you one thing. If you have interest, you can achieve anything. If you don't have interest, you can't achieve anything in their life. Suppose if you want to be a doctor, if you have interest, you can become a doctor. If you don't have interest, you can't achieve anything in their life. No matter how smart you are, if you don't know how to work with people, your dream will be just a dream. Thank you friend for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video and share my video.